going on, Quick Cutz family? This is Darian coming to you bright and early in the morning. Been out here since 8 this morning. It is a Wednesday morning, and we are just completing the yard right here. It's behind me. It is 33 degrees. The high today will be 54, but it's not that yet. And so today I'm going to share with you some things that for myself personally, for others that are out here working that have similar situations as I do, like the beard. I'm going to kind of tell you what I do while I work to keep the dust, leaves, and debris from getting in my beard, so that every time I shower, I don't have to actually wash the beard. I can protect it from the dirt, and I keep my beard covered when I shower so it doesn't get wet, so it don't start to get brittle and break. So I'm going to give you an example of what I do. What I've done is I've gone to like Walmart, and I found kids long sleeve t-shirts. As I set my camera up here on the side of the truck tripod. All right. So what I do is I take the t-shirt, as you see, it's a long. I don't have the long sleeve. I got the short sleeve, but the short sleeve will work today. But it's better with the long sleeve. All right, so I put this on. Let me take this off just to make it easier to show you. I take the sleeves, as you can tell. I get here right around my eyes. And I just simply put it in a knot. I'll tuck this on in. My jackets. As I said, like, it's 33 degrees, so it's a little bit chilly today. Keep the debris, keep the dust out my nose. I put a mask on, so you know, depends on, like, we're still in winter, so the dust and everything is not as bad because it's been raining a couple of days, and so I decide on when, if I need to put extra mask on and things of that sort, so that I can protect my breathing. Like I said, keep my beard, my hair from the debris. I use some earmuffs. These are actually Wi-Fi earmuffs, so that I can still receive phone calls, or I can listen to my audio as I am out cutting. And so these go on. And now I am ready to take on this next line. Peace out, Quick Cutz family.